Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel PCM with Ishu Raj Gupta. This is Pankaj Gupta. Today I am going to discuss with you part 4 of profit and loss. So without delay, let us start. Okay dear, see here. A man bought apples for 10 for rupees 25 and sold them at rupees 25 per dozen. Find his gain or loss percent. तो let us start solution. ठीक है, see here. In this case कि a man bought apples for at 10 for rupees 25. It means कि CP of 10 apples, CP of 10 apples equal to rupees 25. So therefore CP of one apple equal to rupees 25 by 10. It is divisible by 5, so this is cancelled out from the table of 5 5 times, and it is 2 times, so 5 by 2. Okay, and question says sold them at rupees 25 per dozen. Dozen means 12 piece. Dozen means you know कि since dozen, one dozen equal to 12 piece, you know. Okay, all right. So since SP of 12 apples equal to rupees 25. Okay, see कि sold them rupees 25 per dozen. It means कि the SP of 12 dozen apples, 12 piece apples equal to 25 rupees. So therefore SP of one apple equal to rupees 25 by 12. Okay, we have to find gain or loss percent. Okay, so first of all check SP is greater or CP is greater. Okay, so since this is 5 by 2 is your CP and 25 by 12 is your SP, so which fraction is greater? Because it is cost price of one apple and it is selling price of one apple. Okay, so apply cross multiplication. 12 5 ja 12 5 ja 60 and 25 2 ja 50. Okay, so this side is greater, so this side is your CP. So CP is greater than SP. So clearly in this case we have loss. So loss equal to CP minus SP. So CP of one apple equal to 5 by 2 minus 25 by 12. So taking LCM, LCM of 12 and 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2, then we got 6 and 6 5 are 30 minus 12 divided by 12, then we go to 1 and 1 multiplied with 25 becomes 25, and result is 5 by 12 rupees. It is your loss. It is your loss. Now find loss percent. So since loss percent equal to you know formula. Okay, loss percent equal to no formula, loss by में CP into 100%. So now putting the value, loss is 5 by 12, 5 by 12, and your CP is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into 100%. Okay, so it is in means fraction. So 5 by 12 and taking the reciprocal of this part, so 2 by 5 into 100%. So 2 to this one cancel out from 6 times and 5 to 5 cancel out. From the table of 2 it is cancel out from 3 times and it is cancel out from 50 times. Okay, so as we know that 16 3 ja 48, so it's a 16 times में 48, then 2 by 3% is your answer. Okay dear, now come to next question. Next question say कि a man purchased some eggs for rupees 345 and sold them at 5 for rupees 12. Thus he gained rupees 143 in all. So how many eggs did he purchase? Okay, so let the first of all let the required number of eggs be x. Okay, मान लेते हैं कि टोटल हमने कितना एक्स परचेज किया है एक्स. तो नाउ से कि मेन सम एक्स परचेज 3 4 rupees 5. It means that कि CP of 3x equal to rupees 5, then SP of 1 egg equal to rupees 5 by 3. So total number of x is x. So SP of x equal to rupees 5 by 3x. Okay, and SP of 5x equal to rupees 12. Then SP of 1x equal to 12 by 5. After that, SP of x equal to 12 by 5 multiplied with x, it becomes 12x by 5. Now apply gain, because we have gain rupees 143. So gain equal to SP minus CP. So rupees 143 equal to rupees, SP is 12 by 5x and cost price is 15 by 3x. Rupees to rupees cancel out. This implies 143 equal to, taking the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Okay, so this 15 divided by 5, then we got 3, and 3 into 12 equal to 36x, minus this 15 divided by 3, then we got 5 5 is 25x. Subtraction of these two equal to 11 by 15. Okay, and in this side 143, we have to find the value of x. So x equal to 143, apply cross multiplication, this one multiply with 15 and 11 come to this side in divide. From the table of 11 it is cancelled out from 13 times. Now x equal to 13 into 15, it becomes 195. So hence the required number of x equal to 195. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.